My name is Michael Gerity, and I'm one of the founding partners of the law firm of Israel Gerity, which is a Phoenix area law firm serving pretty much all of the Maricopa County area. I think if you ask me why I do what I do, it really boils down to the real reason I went to law school in the first place, which was primarily to help people. But I think somewhere along the way, some of that goal got lost in the grind of the job, and this can be a very grinding job. For years, I was primarily a litigation attorney, and over that time, I handled an awful lot of conflicts. I handled lawsuits and motions and hearings, depositions, mediations, arbitrations, trials. And while all of that can certainly be a very challenging and exciting area of law, I also found that it was frustrating. It was frustrating because I found that virtually every single client came to me with a case that was made worse by some kind of failure to plan. Every single case could have been greatly improved or maybe even completely avoided had these clients sought counsel beforehand and engaged in some form of proper planning. But instead, my time was spent trying to fix what could have been avoidable problems. I was picking up broken pieces, and I ended up having to fight these cases almost every time with either one hand tied behind my back or sometimes with two. And fight I did for years. What I finally came to realize, though, was that I really wanted to do something better. Instead of meeting my clients in some of the worst times of their lives, when their problems had reached a critical stage and everything was upended for them, I wanted to start meeting with people before things went wrong. I wanted to start working with them to plan what they would want in an ideal world, to foresee problems and to set a groundwork for success. And you can only do that when you are planning in advance, before the crisis sets in. So now that I do that, you know what I found? I found that the best part of this approach is how much peace of mind that we can provide for our clients. I think almost everybody recognizes that they need to do their estate planning. And for most of us, it's a task that really hangs over our heads year after year. But when our clients finally do sit down with us and we put together an ideal plan for their future and for their legacy, you can practically see the relief wash over them. When they know they have their plan in place, they know they've done what's best for themselves and what's best for their family, both for now and in the future. So getting to work every day for me and providing people with that kind of peace of mind really makes my job truly rewarding. And so that's why I do what I do.